Alright, so you want to first off make sure your key's in the ignition and turn it on power, so that you have power to your car. So then if you come over here to the switch, you can do this either on the drivers with all the windows. I'm only having an issue with this one window, so we're going to do it right here. So with the button, you know that there's a resistance about the middle when you pull it and all the way out, so that's when the window would auto roll up or partially roll up. So you just want to pull it to the first one and hold it there. You'll hear it click, and once it does that, it'll reset, and then you should be able to functionally go back up. This will also sometimes fix the issue where it doesn't want to roll all the way up, or it won't roll up, automatic by itself sometimes. Mine happened because ice got in and it froze, and I accidentally hit the button and tried to roll it down, and then it messed up thinking where the window was supposed to go and thought there was an issue. This happens sometimes. This may fix your issue. You can attempt it. Sometimes there is a mechanical issue that causes that, but if this works out for you, hopefully it does, then you don't have to do anything with the internals of the door, and then your window will operate correctly. So make sure once you're finished that you turn the power off and get your key back, because you wouldn't want to leave that somebody steal your car. But as always, you have a nice day. Peace.